What is up, Bomb Squad? Welcome to the Burndown YouTube channel. We just finished putting 1 whole gallon of fuel in there. We've got a battery in the truck and we're gonna go on an adventure. So let's jump in the truck and I will share with you the story of what we're doing, why we're doing it, and why this is part of Drag and Drive. So let's get in. We'll start heading on over because I'm being waited on right now. And yeah, hopefully this is fun. Let's roll. So part of doing Drag and Drive is, like I've mentioned before, I'm sure you've heard people say it, when you do a national level event, it's 300 to 500 of your best friends that you never even knew. Everybody there is a crazy car fanatic. We're all in the trenches together, so on and so on, right? Well, here's one of the benefits that you get. When you do an event like that, yes, it costs a bunch of time, effort, and money, but you make friends, and typically you get friends that don't live where you do. So, in crazy car guy fashion, my buddy Trevor Wilson, he's part of the Wilson clan. His whole family is all Drag and Drive, dad, brothers, all of it. They're all out there. They're always competing. They're always at Rocky Mountain Race Week. I met him like 3 years ago, I want to say, maybe a little bit longer, at LS Fest West, when he had a little Chevy Love. And just looking at the truck, I knew he built it. I knew he was my people. We've been buddies pretty much ever since. Well, he reached out to me, and like any good car guy, he was shopping for things that he probably doesn't need, and it's not local to where he's at. So he reached out and he was like, hey, by any chance, I don't know where you're at in California, is this thing local to you? And it just so happens I'm about 15 minutes away from his bad decision. So I got in the middle of him trying to purchase a ramp truck of all things, which should be pretty cool. I haven't seen it, have no idea what I'm getting myself into. I did talk to the gentleman that is selling it, who happens to not live in California. So it is a pretty big snowball cluster. So the guy that doesn't live in California is driving out to the truck to show another guy, being me, that's actually not purchasing the truck, for another guy that lives out of state that would like to purchase said truck. So it is fun. Hopefully Trevor likes the thing. I'm in a video. Maybe we can capture a little bit on here, but mainly I got to kind of be on the phone and showing him what's what, because ultimately I think this is going to lead to him making the decision to purchase the vehicle or not. So we're going to head over there, and I want to bring you guys along because, like we've said before, the people make the event. It's not that Drag and Drive is wonderful by itself. What makes it wonderful is the people that do it. So if you want to be part of the community and you want to have friends, you have to be a friend. So sometimes that means you're the guy that gets to go take a little time out of your day and help somebody out and help them make a financially poor decision. So then I'm not the only one that's doing dumb stuff and lighting my money on fire. This is great. So let's go look at something that somebody doesn't need. I hope it's everything he wants. About a mile out from the destination, but I want to preface this by saying the other thing we're going to try to do is see if the gentleman will let me pour some gas in it and turn over the old big block. It's a big block something. I don't know. I guess we'll look at it and figure it out when we get there. I'm assuming like Turbo 400. But Trevor wants to see if it runs, because I think the plan is to try to drive it all the way back home to Colorado. So I imagine if he comes out here to purchase the thing, he's trying to drive it back because I think it's too big. I don't think you're towing this thing. So if it runs, that's half the battle, I would imagine. But yeah, it'll need a tune-up and some stuff if you're going to take it basically cross-country all the way back home. So hopefully the old dude lets me fire it up, and then hopefully it kind of makes noise and coughs. But we're just going to pour some gas in the carb. I'm not putting anything in the tank. We're not doing all that dance. So we'll see what kind of shape she's in, and hopefully I can smooth talk this guy enough that I don't know to let the guy that's not purchasing the truck screw with it, so some other dude from another state can hopefully come out and purchase the thing and do the deal, right? Easier said than done. Let's go.
It's not bad.
Oh, dude, this thing is a gem. What year is this?
It's a 73 updated to like an 89. Or no, excuse me, an 86. That's 86 for me.
Yeah. Oh, this is cool.
But, you know, if you look past the dirt, it's actually pretty damn clean. You know, the headliner's starting to drop, but the seats are nice, the panels are nice, the carpet's nice.
Yeah, it's an old truck.
Yeah, some cleaning, man, and it'd be a bitchin' truck again.
Yeah.
But no smog.
And why is that?
73.
Oh, it's early. Yeah.
No smog.
Well, he's not from here anyway.
But I don't know if they have smog up there or not.
I don't think so. That's America, where he's from.
Right.
Not California. This thing's cool.
It's got a pull-out awning.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Wow.
Let's look at the motor.
She's dirty.
Yeah, it's like, yeah. Whew. Yeah, it's like you said, the thing's been...
Yeah. But it's got good stainless headers on it, and it's got MSD timing controls. I mean,
I saw that on the inside on the dash.
Yeah. Got the big radiator in it, you know.
You can leave that up if you would. All right, let me go through some of this stuff with Trevor real quick, and then we'll bring you guys back.
Back door down, maybe.
Yeah, let's see if that goes down too.
Another fuel tank.
Yeah, fuel tank.
Because I know there's 2 more up here.
Yes, looks like you got a bit of work on the roof. Looks
Yeah,
like
it's gonna need some love. I think I told him about
but
all that.
the bones are there.
Yeah, exactly. And I'll tell you, that's just from fucking sitting.
Yeah, this
fucking stupid vent leaked, and
yeah, most of that's probably just this.
yeah.
And they probably just did a shitty job installing it.
Uh-huh. You know, dumbass people.
Oh, I am one. I'm one of those.
Not me, dude.
Well, I feel like everything went pretty well. I ended up staying there way longer because I was about to leave, and I heard they had some race cars, so I had to pop in and take a look. Well, it turns out it's a local grudge racing guy that owns that whole place. I knew of him, I'd never met him. Super cool dude, very friendly to me. And I got to look at all his stuff and talk to him. He's got a really cool car. So we were BSing, and then I felt way better about the whole deal and everything anyway. And it makes it way easier. So we will see if the thing shows up on the channel again. It sounds like they may have made a deal on the deal. A deal on the deal. That's a technical term if you're wondering. But super excited. I hope Trevor gets the thing. I hope he enjoys it. I'm sure if he does it, I will be involved in some form or fashion trying to help him and send him on his road home so he's safe. But everything's cool. Dude, I came around the corner, I saw flames, I was sold, man. And then the guys being super cool and getting the story of it, that it was their uncles and he used to race and that whole thing. So I think the history and all the stuff on that whole deal is awesome, man. And if I was ever doing a ramp truck, you guys all know that that thing would definitely be in my side yard. But till next time, thank you guys for going on the adventure. If you have somebody that needs some help, they ask, you know, pay it forward. Maybe you're that person. Maybe you don't get a bunch of help, but maybe it's your turn or chance to make somebody else's day a little bit better and a little bit easier. So if you can, reach out, help the next guy. That's how we make the world a better place. Till next time, I'm out.